until 6 Time is 6:12 p.m. We have a developing wall called just northeast of Alden, Kansas.
So if you live in Maine or very close to
there it goes. We got a
as this storm
possible
could
funnel.
drop a tornado at any time. And are you still on the line there, Cliff?
That's down. It's going
no,
down.
it's
all right. It
going
looks
down,
like we
dude.
have lost the cell signal there. So as soon as he reestablishes contact with us, we'll go back out.
Pretty soon you're gonna go north.
Real quick though, since we are in a tornado warning for Rice County, we're gonna play the storm tip
where it's developing.
What to do in the event of a tornado in Rice County.
Are you glad we came out today or what?
The Weather Service in Wichita has issued a tornado warning.
Okay, it's going to go north right here.
For Rice County. Once again, a tornado warning has been issued for Rice County.
Oh my God,
if you're at home, your basement provides the best protection.
I gotta save
that rotation.
I know. I gotta save
fireplaces.
Massive rotation. We are just 4 miles south of Chase, Kansas.
Run over by this thing.
I know, we're watching it. Whoa, right there. Yeah. Developing tornado. That's oh my God, dude. That's just tornado! We have a tornado! Yeah! Multiple vortex! Wow! Holy cow! Woo! Tornado, it's going to be very close to the town of Chase, Kansas. Wow! Tornado's lifted temporarily. We gotta be careful. This rotation right here could go as well. Yeah. Alright, I gotta save tape.